AI is everywhere, writing articles, making art, even helping doctors, engineers, and designers. It's exciting, but also a little scary, right? You hear people saying AI is taking over jobs, and it makes you wonder, what about the future? Well, here's the good news. There are some jobs AI can't replace. Jobs that need human creativity, emotions, and real world thinking. And if you're wondering what those jobs are, you're in the right place. So let's dive in the video. First job role is mental health professionals. AI can analyze speech patterns, detect stress, and even suggest coping strategies. Some AI powered apps claim to provide mental health support in just a few clicks. But can AI actually feel your pain? Can AI look into your eyes and truly understand what you're going through? Nope. AI can detect emotions, but it doesn't have a heart to feel them. Mental health isn't about algorithms, it's about trust, empathy, and connection. Imagine AI saying, processing. I understand your sadness. Yeah, no thanks. Some jobs need a real human touch. That's why AI cannot take this mental health professional's job. Second job role is creative jobs like writers, filmmakers, musicians, artists. AI can write scripts, compose music, and even generate artwork. It can analyze trends and predict what people might like. But let's be honest, can AI create a truly original masterpiece? Can it feel the pain of heartbreak and turn it into a song? Can it write a book that touches millions of lives? Nope. AI is great at copying, but it has zero life experience. AI didn't grow up listening to its favorite band, dreaming of becoming a musician. AI never had a childhood filled with stories that made it want to be a writer. AI doesn't create from passion, it generates from data. And that's why, no matter how many songs or scripts it writes, it will never replace human creativity. Third job role is teachers and educators. AI can generate lesson plans, provide instant answers, and even tutor students through virtual platforms. But can AI notice when a student is lost in confusion? Can it crack a joke to make a boring topic fun? Can it see potential in a student before they see it in themselves? Not a chance. Remember, a great teacher doesn't just explain topics. They ignite curiosity. They motivate, encourage, and believe in their students. AI might know all the answers, but it doesn't know how to make someone believe in themselves. And let's be honest, if AI took over schools, every lesson would be a monotone, soul-sucking PowerPoint. No passion, no connection, just lesson complete. That's why teachers aren't going anywhere. Fourth job role is skilled trades, like electricians, plumbers, mechanics. AI can analyze systems, detect faults, and even suggest solutions for repairs. But can AI crawl under a sink and get soaked fixing a busted pipe? Can it squeeze into a cramped attic to rewire a house? AI might tell you what needs fixing, but it won't pick up a wrench and do the work. Until AI learns how to hold tools, squeeze into tight spaces, and deal with unpredictable problems, plumbers, electricians, and mechanics are 100% irreplaceable. Fifth job role is leaders and managers. AI can analyze business trends, make data-driven decisions, and automate workflows. But can AI inspire a team? Can it handle office politics? Can it read between the lines when someone says, I'm fine, but is clearly not fine? Leadership is about intuition, vision, and emotional intelligence. AI might be great at spreadsheets, but it has zero emotional intelligence. Great leaders know when to push, when to support, and when to listen. AI? It just follows the numbers. Sixth job role is healthcare workers, like doctors, nurses, caregivers. AI can analyze scans and even diagnose diseases faster than humans. But would you trust an AI-only hospital? Can AI hold your hand before surgery? Can it reassure a scared patient? Healthcare isn't just about fixing problems, it's about caring for people. Doctors and nurses don't just treat symptoms, they save lives. And sometimes healing isn't about medicine, it's about compassion. AI might be the future of medical technology, but humans will always be the heart of healthcare. Seventh job role is social workers and humanitarian jobs. AI can track data, suggest policies, and even predict social trends. But can AI fight for justice? Can it stand up for someone who's suffering? AI can process information, but it doesn't have a moral compass. Social work is about courage, empathy, and standing up for what's right. AI might help with research, but it won't fight for human rights. It doesn't even have a conscience. So AI is powerful, but when it comes to passion, creativity, and real human connection, that's our thing. and no machine is taking that away. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Also, tell me in the comments, what's another job you think AI can never replace? Or what topic should we cover next? Let's talk about it below.